Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a SoundCloud account. So without any further ado, let's get right on the video. So first of all, what you have to do is simply open the SoundCloud app. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the create an account option. Tap on it and I wait for a while and it will ask you to sign in through your Facebook, Google or your Apple. Now simply just I will be using my email just to show you how it is done. I'll type my email. Now tap continue. Now wait for a while and then choose a password for yourself. Now tap on continue. Now fill up these forms. Now it will say signing in, and after that you will they will ask you to accept the cookies. Now simply tap on I accept. Now as you can see, you are already signed into your account, and there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for tuning in. Until then, goodbye.